How to add Pinterest feed to WordPress. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to add Pinterest feed to WordPress. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So for this, just search for elf site. Once you have done that, just click on the elfsite.com and then you will be able to see this specific website right here. So just enter your email right here to sign up, and once you're already signed up, you should be able to see a dashboard of the apps that are available on elf site. So for this, just click on add app, and then in here you should be able to see everything right here. So if you can see Pinterest right here, just search in here for Pinterest. So in here you can see the Pinterest feed. So click on Pinterest feed right here, and then from in there you can just choose template on how you want to actually display it. So for this one, I'll just choose this Pinterest profile, click on this template, and then in here you can just put in the content that you want to display. After that, you can also put in the language and the feed title and everything like that, and also change in here the layout, the style, and everything. So after you've done that, click on publish, and then as you can see, changes were published. So click on the actual plan that you want. So for this one, let's just choose free. And then once we have done that, we should be able to see in here the code, and we just need to put this code right here on the WordPress that you have on here. So just put the code right here on WordPress under the users tool settings. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add Pinterest feed to WordPress. If you have comments, comment them down below and try my best to answer them. Thanks.